Hey guys, this is Kirtan Bhatt from Gadget Park. In the past few years, the usage of internet in India has grown rapidly. One of the highest data consuming service in the internet is video streaming. Today let's talk about video streaming services on the internet and see which is the one you should pay for. Let's get started. Here's a fun fact before we start with the video. YouTube is the biggest video streaming services around the world because obviously it's free and there is a big content library for you to choose from. But we will not be comparing YouTube with other streaming services, but we will be comparing only services like Netflix, Amazon Prime and Hotstar. These are one of the most popular video streaming services which are paid in India. We have divided the video into various parts. If you want to see a particular part, you can go to this particular timestamp. Let's start the video with the pricing. Netflix has a subscription services starting from rupees 500. At 500 you get the complete library in HD quality, and at 650 you get to watch the complete library in HD quality. Whereas if you are fond of 4K and if you have a 4K monitor or TV, then you can go for rupees 800 plan. This gives you the complete library in 4K or Ultra HD. Talking about Hotstar, Hotstar has its subscription services which is priced at rupees 199 per month and it has only one plan. The next service is Amazon Prime Video India. Amazon Prime Video charges you rupees 999 per year, which is the cheapest among these three paid services. So that's about the pricing. Now let's see what content do they offer for this particular pricing. Let's see what Netflix offers. Netflix has a pretty huge library. It's one of the best libraries among these three, and you get to watch most of the American shows, Netflix originals, which are amazing. In fact, I entered Netflix to just watch some of the epic Netflix original shows and movies. They have also included some of the Indian movies and Indian TV shows. Talking about Amazon Prime India, they have a decent collection, but it's not as good as Netflix. They primarily focus on Indian TV shows and Indian movies. They have a huge collection of Indian TV shows and Indian movies. In fact, we see in the past few 2 to 3 months that they have the movies which are just released 1 month back. They are pretty fast now and they are focusing on Indian content specifically. I'm not telling that they don't have any American or British shows. They definitely have it, but they focus on Indian TV shows and Indian movies. Some of the best Indian movies are available on Amazon Prime Video India, and these days they are also focusing on Amazon Prime Originals. They also have some amazing stand-up comedy shows which are Amazon Prime Originals. I have watched each and every Amazon stand-up comedy shows and they're really good. If you haven't watched it, definitely give it a try. They are really fast in delivering movies and they have given rights to many movies before its theatrical release. So it's quite good and we can watch the digital premiere quite fast. Now let's see about Hotstar. Hotstar has some shows and Indian TV shows. I am really not a big fan of Hotstar, but Hotstar has a really big user base because most of the Indian shows are streamed on Hotstar. They are streamed live and good quality. So there will be a lot of live viewership for Hotstar rather than Amazon Prime Video or Netflix. Hotstar also has some specific American TV shows where you won't find anywhere else. You will get it on Hotstar in India and some of the HBO specific shows. Before doing this video, I did a small research and asked people how many hours do you watch Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Coded TV as well as Hotstar, and here are some results. On an average, people watch Netflix for about 4 to 6 hours a day. If it's a weekend, it will be more. And Amazon Prime Video India, if there is a new TV show or new movie, they will go for Amazon Prime Video. Whereas people opted for Hotstar for live sports streaming and some American TV shows. On an average, as mentioned, people watch Netflix higher than Amazon Prime as well as Hotstar. Amazon Prime India for 2 to 3 hours and maybe in weekend for about 5 hours max was the results which I got. I asked for a bunch of people and they told that they prefer Netflix over Amazon Prime India, and some of the students replied that they prefer Amazon Prime India over Netflix. I guess this was the results because of the pricing. Netflix has a pretty high subscription price, whereas Amazon Prime India is lowest among these three. Here's a chart of comparison from geekify.com about these three streaming services that he researched on. He developed this chart, so big shout out to him. Do check him out, links in the description. So what's my verdict? What should you invest for? What should you buy? If you are a fan of American TV shows, American movies, Netflix originals, then definitely invest your money on Netflix. I'm sure that you will love it. There is a huge collection and you can't finish it soon. There's a pretty big collection of shows and movies on Netflix. Whereas if you are in love of Indian TV shows, Indian movies, then go for Amazon Prime Video India. If you pay for Amazon Prime subscription, you will also be getting 1 day free delivery, 2 day free delivery from Amazon India, as well as Amazon Music, which recently launched. You will be getting it for free. Amazon Music is also quite decent, and they have to upgrade a lot. This is just the initial release time, so I do not want to complain a lot about it. I would definitely say invest on Amazon Prime Video India, as they cost rupees 999 per year and it doesn't make much difference. I personally have my subscription services in Netflix as well as Amazon Prime India. I used Hotstar for about 2 months and I gave up. I actually didn't find a reason to pay for Hotstar because some of the movies which are present in Hotstar are either present in these two. So I didn't find a reason to pay for Hotstar. Pay for Hotstar if you want to watch the specific HBO shows, then go for it. Else I wouldn't suggest you to pay for Hotstar. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Do let me know in the comment section what TV show and movies are you watching. Thank you for watching till here. It's been a long video, so thank you for watching till here, and do let us know your favorite TV show and the movies which you are watching. Let's share our TV shows and watch it together. Please hit the like button if you liked it. Vote it down if you didn't. Comment down your views and thoughts in the comment section, as well as TV shows. Yeah. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching. This is Kirtan Bhatt signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.